Hello everybody, here we are again with one more video about Elrond Blockchain. Today we are going to see the NFT marketplaces of Elrond. If you like NFTs, you probably don't know or you are still searching the most good, the most famous marketplaces in Elrond. So let's see them together. The first one is immun.space. Perhaps this is the most famous one. You can find the best, let's say the trendy collections in here. This is where I'm usually searching. To see about the trends. After this you can find hot right now and then explore. You can find all the collections. Also in here, if you know the name of the collection, you can search it in here. If we select the collection, here is how it appears. You can sort it by price, but in here I am missing the activity. I would like to see the sales during the day, because in general when I'm seeing a collection, perhaps in here, we can see that the Elrond apes, the floor price is around 10 EGLD, but I don't know if they are moving. Are there sales? So this is why I would like to have the activity. Okay, Immun, keep this. Then we go to Dead Rare. For me, right now, this is the best one. It has much more info that I like it. Perhaps I also like the style of the website. We can see hot collections. We will also open, let's say, Elrond apes, just to do a comparison with Immun. We can see some more data in here, the floor price, the average sale price. Okay, it is already sorted by lowest price, and here we have the activity, which I like to check for every project here. So here we see 43 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and we can see 10 EGLD, 18, 9.88, and it goes on. So the price, let's say for this project, it is around 10 EGLD, but we can see that there is also movement. So this is important for me, because there are projects that they have very high floor price, but there is no activity at all. Then we can see new listings, top collections. I will come back to top collections, and all collections. Here you can find everything, and you can also search if you know the name of the selection that you want to search. Let's check rankings. Very useful table. We can see a ranking with the total volume. In here I'm not only checking total volume but also weekly volume. Why am I doing this? Because some projects are old, they have sales, but from the weekly volume I can see which new projects are coming strong. For example, in here, let's compare Mayor Banks and Rogue Raptors. We can see Mayor Banks has a bit more sales in total, more than Rogue Raptors, but can you check the weekly one? I can see this is stronger for now. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean I prefer this one and not this one. It is just the way I'm searching them. I'm checking the numbers, and then I'm checking the projects if I like them. And perhaps if we go lower, perhaps check WW Wine, we can see around 800 EGLD, but can you see they have done this 800 in 1 week. So I consider this project more interesting than, let's say, these two projects. Again, this is just a way to search. It doesn't mean anything. Oh, this is the best one, let's go in. No. It is just a table with data. You can use it as you like. This is it with Dead Rare. I told you, for me this is the most interesting. I like it, and I prefer to use this one. Another well-known NFT marketplace is Trust Market. Again, you can see category premium, verified, and you can check also some other collections. In here it also has search, so you can search a selection that you would like. Let's select, for example, the same selection, apes, just to see. This is how it appears. So it also has history traits, which is like activity that we show in Dead Rare. I also like this one, but again, if I do a comparison, personally for me, Dead Rare is much more interesting. In here you can also mint, and in here you can find some projects that they are actively minting right now. It doesn't mean anything. You should search before you decide if you want to invest in a project. Also, Dead Rare, I have seen that it has minting. It is not in here. They create links, and usually the projects announce the links when the mint begins. The fourth one now is Isengard. Also here we can find some trending collections. I cannot see, let's say, the most famous ones, other trending mintable collections. But the reason that I'm keeping this in my radar is because it is relatively new. It has a launch pad, it says coming soon, and it also had a pre-sale. So it has a token, and now it is sold out. Perhaps the button is still in here, but it is not active. Today it was sold out. So let's keep it in our radar. These are, let's say, the most famous NFT marketplaces. If you know some others, you can write them in our comments. Now, okay, we completed with the marketplaces, but these are collections that they are already sold, that they are already minted. So now we are in the secondary market. What about the new drops? For the new drops, I totally prefer through Dead Rare. You can see in here upcoming drops. If you select this, it opens the panes, Elrond index. For me, this is very organized. I love this. It has it by date, January 29th, project, links, the time that it begins, the number of NFTs, and the price. In here in the links you can see website, Twitter, and Discord. I'm usually checking the website and the Twitter. If I am still interested, I will also go to Discord. So for me, this is the basic map in order to search for future projects that they are going to mint new NFTs. So this is it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.